Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-in-1 pet grooming device. This thing is awesome. It's so compact, it just blows my mind. So I took it out of the box, it was packaged really well. It does have this area here that is a 3-liter dustbin, and it stores your hose. Easily take that off, open it up, get to your hose. You've got your filter on the back. The really cool thing is actually in the back here. Got your carrying handle. Now you push this open and all of your tools are in here. This comes with 5 different tools. You have a little area for your cord that will get plugged in. I'm going to take my dogs into our grooming area and show you how all of this works. All right, I've got my dog here and I've got all of the different tools out. These are super easy to attach. They just snap right into place. Now all of them have different purposes. This is just a grooming one that whenever you groom it, it'll pick up the hair and then suck it back in. You've got this one that actually can clean off your clothes. It's got the nice little lint thing here. And then under here, we've got our vacuuming tool. So if you needed to vacuum off couches or anything, you can actually use that for that as well. You have your dog grooming tool here. And then this one is actually a low noise for like suctioning up, like if you had little crevices and things. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one on my dog. Here's the actual machine here. It's got a nice big screen. Whenever you turn it on, you have your fan at 0. It does have 5 different fan speeds that you just turn the knob. And it just goes all the way up to whatever speed you're wanting. It does have heat where you can actually heat it up. So as you are cutting them and blow drying them, you can control it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And you just press and hold this to change it to whatever measurement you want. So we are going to go ahead and use this on my dog and get him brushed out. So now you can actually see the hair that it's pulled off. When you press this button on the back, it just sucks right in there and cleans it up for another use. Then if you wanted to do it for another thing, let's go ahead and turn it off and we will use this little trimmers on him and get him trimmed up. It does actually have different sizes of blades that you can put on to cut the dog's hair, all the way from 3, 6, 9, and 12. You've got a little cleaning brush and a little charging cable. So you could use that whole razor as an independent feature. So the trimmers has a little button right here that actually turns it on, and then you'll have your green light, and then we can just easily trim up the hair, and you can see it kind of getting sucked in there. So that's really neat that you can see it going in. It's not falling all over the place, which is nice. Usually whenever you groom the dogs, it makes a big mess. Now whenever you're in here, you can actually see all that hair that it's already picked off. And you could just use this without this as well and just use this as an independent thing. So this actually works independently too. If you did just want to use it on its own, it's got several modes there. This is a really neat little set that you can use for cleaning, for blow drying, anything like that after you're done with your dog. I'm going to put on the blow dry mode just so you can kind of see the air coming out here and the power that that has. And then with the temperature control on here, that is really nice to be able to control that. And this is just a one-stop shop for all the dog groomings. And then whenever you're done, everything conveniently stores right back in here for a space-saving option for your dogs.